The safest and easiest way, at least that I've noticed, to know if you have a real one or a fake one, because this one looks fake, but I've seen some really good fakes, and the only way I've figured out how to tell the difference is to actually open them up. So pretty much all you need is a little small Phillips head screwdriver. Take out the screws, and you'll pretty much see right away that or pretty much see right away what the fake one, or which one the fake one is. So let's crack this fake one open. Okay, so now this is what the fake one looks like. Everything looks cheap. Little simple board with the battery being glued to the actual board. Everything looks extremely cheap and fake. Surprisingly, this is one of the better ones that I've seen. I've seen thick ribbon cables with brown boards and all of that, so this is the fake one. Now the real one, you'll notice that the battery is not glued to anything. That's the first thing you'll notice. And the board doesn't look as fake